everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make invitation on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, you can swipe until you can see invitation. This is the invitation portrait, so you just click on the see all, this one, click on it. And then now you can swipe until you can see the template that you wanted to use. I want to try to add this one, so you just click on it. And if you wanna change the text, it's so simple, so you just click on the text that you wanted to change, this one, click on it. And then in here you can change to your name, maybe like this. And in here you can change the date and then the dress code. And after this, in here you can change the address. And now you can save the invitation cover in here at this icon, and then in here you can click on download and then click on download again and finish. So that's how to add invitation on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.